All right, Wolfpack, Trey Clark here. You know, there's a story about a grandfather and his grandson talking on the riverbanks about the war going on inside of us all. We got a white wolf, we got a black wolf, always at war with each other. The question is, which one are you going to feed? Well, I am the river that flows through my veins. I am the black crow, I'm wings of change. Well, I am the rock the rain couldn't conquer. I'm above, I'm below, I am the hell and high water. I've been the soul carried on in the breeze. I've wept with the willows and I fell with the leaves. Well, I am the badlands and the silence it holds. A warrior who walks but is never alone. 'Cause there's a black and white wolf in me, and I live and I die by which one that I beat. It's a war all this time, there's fighting inside, and I live and I die by which one that I beat. Very tasteful. Well, I am the hunted, and I am the hunter, and I am the feast, I'm the famine, the hunger. I'm the eagle just screaming for peace, while the beast on the inside just sharpens its teeth. Hill, hill, hill. There's a black and white wolf in me, and I live and I die by which one that I beat. It's a war all this time, this fighting inside, and I live and I die. Which one that I be? God damn it, I'm good. 'Cause there's a black and white wolf in me, and I live and I die. But which one that I beat? It's a war all this time, and this fighting inside, and I live and I die. But which one that I beat? All right, you got it? Which one are you gonna feed? Wolfpack? Cheers.